day, everyone. My name is Silil Jane Rusasenya of BEd 2B, and today we will discuss about weather classification integrating the Kendall's and Marzano's taxonomy. So, the first level is retrieval, or the recalling of information. Therefore, the activity that I've made is this. Prepare a matching game where peers match pictures of rainy, snowy, cloudy, and sunny weather with their correct labels. And as you can see, the example from the screen is a matching type about the different weather classification. Now, let's move on to the second level, which is the comprehension. In this part, learners demonstrate understanding by summarizing, paraphrasing, or identifying the main ideas of presented information. Therefore, the activity that I've made is to write a clear explanation of what causes a cloudy day versus a sunny day using simple terms to describe the atmosphere. For example, a sunny day occurs when the sun's rays directly reach the ground because there are few or no clouds to block the sunlight, indicating stable atmospheric conditions. In contrast, a cloudy day happens when the sky is covered with clouds, blocking most of the sun rays. These clouds form when water vapor in the air cools and condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals, often due to warm, moist air rising and cooling, which indicate unstable air and moisture in the atmosphere. The third level is analysis, or the breaking down of information. The activity includes a comparative question. For example, how does preparing for a snow weather day differ from preparing for a rainy weather day, considering clothing, travel, and activities? The fourth level is knowledge utilization. Students use their knowledge to tackle new tasks, solve problems, and make informed decisions. The activity here is to create a problem-solving task. Given a weather forecast for a week with mixed sunny, cloudy, and rainy days, plan appropriate outfits and activities for each day, and here is the example. Problem: plan your outfits and activities for the week based on this forecast. Monday for sunny, Tuesday for cloudy, Wednesday for rainy, Thursday for sunny, Friday for cloudy, Saturday for rainy, and Sunday for sunny. Task: choose one outfit and one activity for each day that matches the weather. Be ready to explain why you choose them. Now, let's go to the fifth level, the metacognitive system, in which the learners reflect on their own thinking and learning processes. The activity that I've made is to add a reflection prompt asking learners to consider what was the most surprising thing learned about how different types of weather are formed and how can you remember this information better. And the sixth level is the self-system, and that involves examining personal beliefs, emotions, and motivations to better understand and integrate new knowledge. The activity that I've made or prepared is to prepare a discussion question. For example, share a memory or feeling associated with a particular type of weather, like rainy, snowy, cloudy, or sunny, and explain why it's important to you. To summarize all, the Kendall's and Marzano's taxonomy focuses on the three domains: the cognitive, affective, and the psychomotor. And that ends our discussion. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.